Welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
According to a sketch provided by Honda today, the company's future electric SUV will not have an eccentric appearance. In contrast to 2024 Honda Prologue appears to feature clean exterior surfaces with hints of ruggedness. The sketch is our first peek at what the Prologue might look like, despite the fact that certain details have been exaggerated for dramatic purpose. The color artwork exudes strong anime influences. Still, our attention is pulled to the narrow element that spans the upper part of the front fascia and surrounds the thin lighting elements. The front bumper's massive grille, fog lights, lower cladding, and prominent roof rails wouldn't seem out of place on a Subaru or any other modern crossover with an adventurous spirit. According to Honda, the Prologue will have a long wheelbase and short overhangs. Additionally, the business claims the EV SUV will be equipped with capable tires. Although a set of Firestone Destination La2 all-season tires, like the ones on the Honda Passport TrailSport we examined, appear aggressive. They do not have the same low rolling resistance as the tires on the majority of electric vehicles. Possibly compensating for this, Honda asserts that it prioritized aerodynamics while designing the Prologue, with the clear goal of optimizing efficiency as well as minimizing interior noise levels, which can be more noticeable when there is no combustion engine producing noise. In case anyone forgot or was unaware, the 2024 Honda Prologue is a product of Honda's joint venture with General Motors. GM will share its Ultium battery platform, which will underlie future cars such as the Cadillac Lyriq and GMC Hummer EV. Honda will then design the exteriors and interiors of vehicles such as the Prologue. Acura will also have its own, unnamed, more premium version. After the Prologue and its Acura counterpart are introduced to the market, Honda will release more vehicles based on its e-architecture electric platform. This is scheduled to begin production in 2026. In 2027, Honda and GM will collaborate once more to produce and sell a all-new series of inexpensive, electric small crossovers. All of this culminates in Honda achieving its goal of selling exclusively EVs.
Thanks for watching.